so I don't wear glasses. Never needed them, but I bought the Ray-Ban Meta glasses anyway. And honestly, it surprised me how much I ended up loving them. I know, it sounds weird, but normally when you see someone wearing glasses, you assume they need them to see. And here I am wearing them so I can film? Hear me out though, because it's more than that. I've realized something about creating content. Sometimes the hardest part is just pulling the camera out. It interrupts the moment. It makes people stare. And even I started acting differently the second I feel a lens pointed at me. But these glasses change that for the most part. When I put them on, I'm not thinking about filming. I'm just living. And that's the part that honestly won me over. Because the best moments you want to remember are usually the ones you don't stop to record. The small ones, the quiet ones, the ones where you're not holding a phone in your hand or balancing a camera on a table. With these, I capture things I normally wouldn't. Not because I'm trying to make content out of it, but because it's finally easy to document life without interrupting it. And it's weird because I used to think, why would anyone buy these if they don't need glasses? But now I get it. It's not about the glasses. It's about friction. It's about removing the tiny barrier that stops you from recording that moment. Especially for someone like me who's trying to upload every single day this year, lowering friction matters. A lot. When I'm traveling or walking around a new city or just grabbing coffee, I don't want to pull out the camera every 5 seconds. That gets old, it's awkward, and it ruins the moment. But these, I can be present. And if something happens that I want to remember, it's already recording exactly how I saw it. Of course, they're not perfect. The camera quality is pretty good if you think about it as a camera on your glasses, but it'll still never compete with a mirrorless camera. That's just a fact. The battery life has gotten a lot better with the second generation, and being able to listen to audio makes it really convenient. And even though these aren't prescription, the lens that I have are transition lenses, which make them even more useful outside. So it's not just a means to document your life. It improves the quality of your life in other ways. I know some people will say it looks goofy wearing glasses that you don't need. And honestly, maybe it does. But I'd rather look a little goofy than miss out on documenting parts of my life that actually matter. These glasses won't make you a better creator, but they will make it easier to be one. Sometimes that's all you need. Anyways, that's why I'm wearing glasses even though my vision's fine. It's not aesthetic, it's not a trend, it's not a statement. It's just a tool that helps me tell my story a little better. And if you're a creator, especially someone trying to capture more of your day without ruining the moment, I think they're worth considering. Thanks for watching, drink some water, and I'll see you tomorrow.